today I'm supposed to go out with my brother. We have to go run a few errands. I promised to fix his guitar because it broke. So I'll be doing that, at least when he calls me back. You know, do y'all have siblings that you'll call them and they won't call you back? Or like, yeah, you'll call them and they just like won't call you back at all? My brother, I can't even say my brothers. My brother, I'll call him and he would be like, oh, I saw your call. But one thing that bothers me, he will be on his phone all day with his friends, but he won't call me back. But that's okay. That's okay. I have to do my hair. It's not supposed to be like this. I'm gonna put it in a bun, so let me do that now. I need a mirror in my room. So right now, I'm gonna do it the janky way. And I'm going to use this as my guider. It's just a bun. I'm just putting a bun. I'm going to use this as my guide. And it's going to work. I find making buns like the hardest thing to do. Sometimes. Like, if I do a fresh twist out, my buns are going to be good. If not, I don't know, but I'm going to try my best. I'm moving so loud I don't need to put a headscarf on. Hi, is this it? I think this is it. Yeah.
I just gotta make sure that there's not many people downstairs.
That's fine, thank you. I understand.
I will bring you in. My guitar broken. I need a new bass. Just new string? Gotcha. Well, not the string, the tuner thing.
The tuner.
Oh, so you're bringing in for repair? Yeah. Gotcha. Just letting you know you have to drop it off. It was technically here today, but when he gets to it, he'll call you back.
How long, do you know like how long it would normally take?
We're a little backed up right now, so I'm guessing like a week to 2 weeks.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
That's, okay, that's fine. Thank you. So yes, we had to take him to get his guitar fixed because it ended up breaking. This is TJ, you want to be in it? I don't know.
Hello.
That's my little brother Teach, and he wants Chipotle, so we might get some Chipotle afterwards, and I wanted pizza, but I think I might settle for some.
There's a couple of things they have down, mask on at all time. If you want to try anything, just let someone else person they can wipe it down. I'm going to have you wait at the bottom of the stairs. My guy Ian's there.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Thank you guys.
So yeah, ooh, kind of look at this, y'all. The lights are on. Oh, such a gentleman. Thank you. He said wait at the bottom of the steps. You want to take the escalator down? Yeah. You want hand sanitizer? I'm going to take some because I was on the train. Huh? Oh, Jesus, help me, Father God. I hate these things. Feels good in here because I just came off of a hot train. No, my train was nice and cool, but the train station is hot. I hate these masks. I hate them. I can't breathe. I can't talk. The minute I'm outside, I'd be like, oh look, we're in the Guitar Center. I wonder if I can film in here. Oh well, I'm doing it anyways.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Great, how are you?
Not too bad at all. What can I help you out with today?
Okay.
Might have a guitar. Yes. Yeah, absolutely. You want to run a here.
I like the case.
I wanted to get like this strong and polished too.
Yeah, restrung and polished? Got you. So you want to do a full platinum setup? Or, yeah, let's see. Yeah, so we have 2 main setups that I think would work best for you. You guys could either do the platinum setup. That includes like a deep clean of the guitar and everything. They'll clean up the fretboard, make sure everything is set. If you want to just do a normal setup, they'll just change the strings and make sure the action's right for you.
Okay, what do you want to do? I mean, okay, I'm paying. What do you want to do?
If you want to pay the extra for the platinum setup, it'll basically feel like a whole new guitar. If you just do the normal setup, it'll still play really well and it'll be back in perfect.
Look at them playing a guitar. They have so many.
Yeah, y'all are definitely going to want the clean up this one.
It wasn't until he pulls out the bag, I'm like, oh, baby.
It's a beautiful guitar though.
It really
it's
is.
a beautiful guitar. And it's going to look like stunning when he's done with it. Awesome.
Okay. What?
I could do a nice little.
A what?
Because I still have a beginner guitar. Like, why I still want like.
I like the color of this one. Let me see. You see it? This one. This is the one that I was talking about. I like the color of this one here.
No, this is giving me Hannah Montana.
It really is giving you Hannah. I don't like the guitar itself, but I like the. He said Hannah Montana vibes. I like the color of it.
Wanna get a ukulele?
You do?
Yeah. All of it. I want one of everything.
Guitars are expensive.
Very.
They're nicely polished. Yo. They go up. I didn't know guitars were. I mean, clearly you know they're expensive, but 1,000 and up. Can you see? Okay, well, it's not for me. It's for him. He's into the guitar stuff, and he can really play. He made a song. Maybe one day I'll have him like play it for you guys. It's really beautiful, very nice. How does it go? I don't have to say, hey, good morning when I meet you.
See you.
Oh, yes, see you.
We've already met.
It's a beautiful song. I think I posted it one time on my, reposted
You
it.
need to plug me. I put it on Instagram.
You said
At my Theo Sings, yes.
Oh, okay. I think I did you, not the other one. I don't know. What's this? Look at the little spinning. You said what? It really, for real. It looks like it. Would you ever get another case?
Yes. I actually want.
You need a harder case because that one is very soft. And if you ask me, I would leave my guitar in its case at the house because you leave it out 24/7 and you live with Rough Riders.
I think I'm gonna end up hanging it on my wall
In the room? That'll be nice. But we decided, I know I said I wanted Chipotle, but we're actually getting Chipotle. Is Chipotle canceled?
I know you said you wanted Chipotle, but I'm gonna get Chipotle.
Got my stuff. He's over here struggling. You got it? Oh, you don't want to touch mine? Is this mine? Wait, this is mine? Get it. Tarot, Jesus. Boy, it's hot.
Okay, I'm like at the
Pull.
end. Okay, I'm pulling.
Wait. All right. See how lovely setup? Oh, where's the lid for this? And I am about to enjoy. I'm hungry. It's 3 o'clock and we haven't ate yet. Well, did you eat, Teach? Okay, well, I'm about to eat. Okay, now we're going to get some boba tea. That's what it's called, boba? Boba tea. I never had that. I'm kind of curious, but I don't know. I don't like having textures and tasting textures in my mouth now. And you have them little bubbles. That's a little concerning for me. So I'm probably not going to get any. He is, and that's where we're going now. And I believe after that, I want to go home because I don't want to go home, but there's really not much to do. So we will see how today goes. So he got the tea, but I tried it. I might get it again, but he said it's not how it's supposed to be. How did you describe it? Like a liquidy what?
Milkshake.
He said it's supposed to be like a little
sweeter,
milkshake type
more
thing.
creamy.
Oh, well, I wouldn't know. This was my first time, and I tried it. I was like, it was different. But I thought the beads, what is it? The beads, the boba would be softer. It's really chewy. And I don't want to say chewy in like a bad way, but you have to chew into it. I was thinking, because he described it as gelatin. Something, okay, you just bite into it and it's just like melts away like jello. No, you gotta chew it.
I told you, more like gum. It's like, I don't, that's why I'm like, it's a weird consistency.
Can I do the strawberry boba? And a little bit of the mango and blueberries.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Blueberries and mango.
Yes, please.
Okay, that's all.
And then I'll do yogurt chips.
No problem. Thank you. Just a spoonful now.
Yeah, half a, yeah, that's fine. That's enough. Thank you so much. It wasn't planned, but I ended up getting pinkberry. Didn't I say this morning? I think I was saying this morning or recently that I want frozen yogurt, and I got it. Okay, so I am back home now, and my feet hurt. I wasn't gone too long today. I believe I left my house like around, I don't know what time I left my house, but I wasn't gone for that long. It's like now 5:18. Woo. Yeah, it's 5:18. My stuff is supposed to come today. My bed frame is supposed to come today. I got an email. Let me actually check. Delivery. So yeah, I'm supposed to be getting my bed frame today. My bed won't be coming for like another, what's today, the 7th? My bed frame, not my bed frame. I feel like I'm mixing everything up. I'm getting my bed frame today, and my mattress should be coming by next week. And ooh, my dresser. Let's see when my dresser is coming. I should be getting my dresser in a few days. They just pulled my money today, so my bed actually won't be here until Sunday, but that's okay. So that means when I come home on Sunday, my bed will be here, so I can sleep beautifully that night. That is it. I think for the rest of the day, well, I plan to relax. Ow, my side is starting to hurt me. I need to relax because I haven't had a day to relax since, let me not lie, I've had a day to relax, but I mean like since since we moved last week, I haven't been able to like just have a day to do nothing. Do I deserve a day to do nothing? I do. My bed frame came, so now I'm about to set it up. All my packages are actually coming early and on time, which I knew this was coming today, but I'm surprised at how fast everything is really coming. Some of the bars just aren't going on and I'm having trouble, but once the mattress goes on, it'll be fine. Like this, for example, just won't go down, and I'm fighting to pull them up, fighting to put them down, but yeah, that's the only thing. And then I have this bar sitting here because they're not going on the hook. My sister made me I think this is egg with, I can't remember what she said it was. If I remember, I'll put it in a caption. But look at this. She loves me.